So Insta360 Ace Pro 2 can record 8K resolution video up to 30 frames per second, which is currently the highest video quality that you can get from an action camera. So in theory, 8K resolution offers twice as many pixels as a 4K video. But since most people watch their videos on their mobile phones and a lot of people out there don't even have a 4K monitor, the question is, can you really see the difference? And if so, is it worth the upgrade? So in this video, guys, I'm going to use 8K video from Ace Pro 2 and compare it with 4K video from GoPro 13 and Ace Pro 1. So when you compare it to the GoPro, I think that there's quite a bit of difference when it comes to the sharpness. 8K has slightly more details than 4K. But quite honestly, to really see the difference between the two, I had to zoom in on that video while I was editing on a 4K monitor. So you probably won't notice any dramatic quality change between 4K and 8K. Especially if you watch it on a smaller mobile screen. You'll have to zoom in to really see the difference. So let's compare it against the 4K video from Ace Pro 1. So with 4K footage from Ace Pro 1, I must say it was even harder to spot the difference. Honestly, in many cases, I didn't see the difference at all, so I had to literally stop the video to compare it. So yeah, in a way, it was a little bit sharper and clearer than 4K, but the thing is that I could barely see it in motion. So I will say that 8K video is rather useful for editing because it gives you extra resolution to adjust your framing, fix your composition, etc. But there are also some disadvantages to it as well. Mainly, 8K videos are massive in file size and they can take quite a lot of space on your microSD card and computer. So storing a lot of 8K videos, especially longer ones, can be a problem. And lastly, 8K video doesn't have a horizon lock, which makes it difficult to record a video with a steady horizon. So ideally, you would need to have a 3-axis gimbal to stabilize the camera for you. Or you can record some very simple shots and just do your best to hold the camera steady. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in the next one.